The orangutan is Asia's only great ape, and its survival seems to be teetering on the bridge of extinction. There are two types of subspecies, the Borneo orangutan and the Sumatran orangutan. Both of these species are considered to be critically endangered. The orangutan lives for 35 to 40 years in the wild. The female does not become reproductive until she is a teenager. Therefore, the female usually gives birth to only one infant, and the baby will stay with its mother until they are 8 or even older. It seems then, with the baby no longer relying on its mother, will the female be ready to give birth again. The orangutan has the longest interval between births of all other mammals on Earth. This low birth rate seems to also contribute to the declining orangutan population. Consequently, the orangutan lives in the rainforest of Indonesia and Malaysia. It seems then that these countries' rainforests have been subject to widespread logging, mining and pulp plantations. Lately, the expansion of palm oil plantations, which is now considered to be the world's most widely used oil, seems to be contributing to the eradication of the orangutan's natural habitat. Consequently, palm oil is widely used in everyday products such as food, cosmetics and fuels. It is a cheaper form of oil, which is one of the reasons why demand for palm oil is high. Moreover, the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia rely somewhat on the orangutan to help disperse seeds from the fruits that they eat. In doing so, they help the forest ecology and regeneration. It seems that orangutans have been observed eating over 1,500 different varieties of plants. Without the orangutan, it is possible many of these plant species may become extinct. Orangutans build nests daily from the tree's canopy to sleep in. In doing so, the orangutan are allowing the sunlight to reach the bottom of the rainforest floor, which allows small, struggling plants to thrive. In conducting my research, I have found that it is hard to find information on the orangutan's decline in population that is not biased. Many of the scholarly journals and websites that I have accessed are mostly biased, saying that the orangutan's extinction is due to mostly palm oil plantations. Nevertheless, I have found I have had to research and read a lot of information. Although I have found a few journals where the information is based on the decline of the population, but the authors are still optimistic that something can be done. On the positive side, there is a lot of information on the orangutans. It seems that the general public is interested in why the orangutan's population is under threat and what can be done to save this ape from possible extinction. There have been protests against companies that use unsustainable palm oil in their products. It seems that Nestle, a major company, that now will only use sustainable palm oil in their products. The key findings that I have found in my research are how valuable the rainforest biodiversity is for life to be sustainable on this planet. Furthermore, the network of ecosystems that exist in the forest rely on each other for sustainability. Consequently, one animal or plant becoming endangered or extinct can put these ecosystems in peril. It seems then that the forests regulate our atmosphere, cleans the air that we breathe and controls the Earth's temperature. Furthermore, the loss of the orangutan in the tropical rainforests of Malaysia and Indonesia could have a huge impact on the fragile ecosystems that help sustain life on this planet. It seems then that I need to research more on what efforts are being made by the Indonesian and Malaysian government on ensuring the survival of the orangutan in the wild. When did the orangutan numbers start to decline? Was it before the palm oil plantations became spread across Indonesia and Malaysia, or was it before? Additionally, I believe my issue connects with the science understanding aspect of the Australian curriculum and would suit a Year 4 class or older up to and including Year 6. There's two subjects for a Year 4 class that I could incorporate this issue into would be understanding science, biological sciences. Living things have life cycles and living things depend on each other and the environment to survive.